Hello everybody, welcome. School dinners today. That's what we're doing. We all know the scoreboard now, don't we? Spin the wheel, see what we're going to do. I hope it's something nice. Let's spin the wheel. Know the score, do it as if it's live, so no arguing, just bring you down. I think you can see that. Well, let's give it a spin. Something nice, please, something nice. Something nice. What's it going to be? Cheesy bloody footballs. Ah, bloody hell. I'll remove that one. That's that one done. Bloody cheesy footballs. Want something nice, man. After that curry, never mind. Off to the shop. Well, I'm back from the shop and I've had a bloody nightmare. Absolute nightmare. But the ingredients. There's the ingredients there, you can see them. Simple ingredients really. The only thing I can't get again, like before, was the mustard powder. Can't get it anywhere, I've tried. So I'm going to have to use normal mustard again. But, look at this. That's the only oil I could get. I don't know if you can see that with the light. It's corn oil, right? Got it from Aldi. It's the only thing, but have a look at it. You've got corn oil there, that's all it says. The rest is all in foreign. All of it's in foreign. The whole lot. Now it says in the book, I mean I can just about make this out at the bottom here. It says 175 degrees. Obviously that's the smoking point on it. But it says in the book I need 185. Well it says 360 Fahrenheit. So I think that's about 185. So I don't know if that's going to be any good. But there's nothing else I can do. I mean and that was £2. £2 and it's foreign, not even an English label. £2 for that rubbish. So anyway, I'm going to weigh all my stuff out. Don't need a lot, we need flour, bit of marge, some cheese and some water. So I'll weigh it all out and I'll show you. Right, got everything prepared. I've got 3 beaten eggs, 120 grams, 120, hold on, 110 grams of cheese, grated cheese, that bloody oil, 330 ml of water, 70 gram of butter, 140 gram of plain flour, and half a teaspoon of mustard powder, but no mustard powder, it's going to have to be mustard. So it says, place the marge, water and a bit of salt, which I'll get out of the cupboard, in a saucepan and bring to the boil. So we'll do that first. Let all that boil up. Water, get that on. Butter. Get that in. That'll melt. And we just want a drop of salt, pinch of salt it says. That's about enough. Yep. And we'll bring that to the boil before we do anything else. Well, that's boiling, but that went quick. Remove from the heat and add all the flour. Just take it off the heat. Bring it around there. Remove from the heat, add all the flour, beat well until it forms a ball and leaves the side of the pan. So put all that in. Get in. Get it all in. And mix till it forms a ball. Okay. Bring you back in a minute. Well, I think that's the best I can get it. No, it's not quite a ball, but it's good enough. It's left the sides, so that's what he's on about. So he's leave it to cool for a couple of minutes, which I'll do. Right, I'm going to put some oil in the wok. I haven't got a deep fat fryer, so I'm going to use the wok. Put this bloody expensive foreign oil in. £2. Ain't even got an English label. That might do, I think. Don't want to go too far. Well, I've done all that. I've let it left for a couple of minutes. Turn it into a bowl, add the eggs, then beat well until the mixture is soft and smooth. So I'll get that in that bowl, add the eggs, get them out of the way. Sort of a ball, it's leaving the pan, so I've done something right, I suppose. Move that out of the way. Then what, add the eggs, did it say? Add the eggs and beat. Add the eggs. Like so. Move the eggs, that bowl out of the way with the egg bowl eggs. And beat, is that what it says? Beat it well until the mixture is soft and smooth. Okay? I'll keep mixing. I've got a whisk, I'll break my whisk. I've never bought another one, I'll have to get one. Now it says, where are we? Soft, it's soft, ain't it? It's got a few lumps in it though. Stir in the cheese and mustard. Stir in the cheese. And obviously no mustard powder, so it'll have to be mustard. Nothing I can do. Get that in. I want to stir that in. I can't remember having this at school, to be fair. I can never remember having it at school. And I've definitely never ever made it before. Ever. It doesn't look very appetising, to be fair, does it? Look at that. Mmm. I don't know, is that how it's supposed to be, is it? Must be. It must be. Next says, flour your hands and form into small balls. Heat the oil in a frying pan in a deep fat fryer, whatever, I ain't got one. So let's heat that, before put them into balls, let's heat this up first. I'll get that hot before anything else. I'm going to flour my hands. Can't see how this is going to turn into a ball. Maybe it might, we just stick together, I don't know. Seems a bit wet to me, but let's get my hands in. Ugh. How the hell is I supposed to put that into a ball? They can't put that into a ball, man. Look at it. That's way too wet, isn't it? Look at the state of it. That's way too wet. And that's followed the instructions to exact. You need some more flour in there. You're never going to get that into a ball. I'm going to have to put some more flour in. I don't know if that's going to make it worse now. It's going to have a bit more. That's far too wet, that is. The instructions are wrong on this one, that's to be fair. You're not going to get this in a ball, are you? It ain't going to happen. More flour. It's going to be too floury now, this is. It's a bit thicker. More flour on my hands. See if I can get a ball now. No. Look at it. Look at the size of it. Want my hands again? I'm going to have to do a spoon or something in on. Put them into little balls in a spoon like that. Look if you do. And hopefully it'll just hit and freeze on the thing. And before anyone says I shouldn't have done it like that, I am following the instructions. And that's what the instructions say. I'm going to stick that in there and see what happens. See if it just holds. But that's too wet for me. It's far too wet. It's holding, but it ain't a bloody ball. And I didn't really want to put more flour in it because I wanted it to be as is. There's that one. Get it out. Get another one in. This is terrible. It's way too... Look how wet it is. Oh, dearie me. Dearie me. I mean, they're not so much balls, are they? They're cheesy somewhat, but not balls. I'm only going to do the two because this is a waste of time, this. Absolute waste of time. Till golden brown, they're done. I'm turning that off. Absolute waste of time. Look at the bloody mess. Look at it. Seem very light and fluffy. I don't even know whether they're cooked. Find out when I taste it. Let's taste it then. Well, they're not cheesy balls. I don't even think they're even cooked, look. I'm sticking them back in another minute, hold on. I'm very, very disappointed with this recipe. Very disappointed with it. I don't think they're cooked. I'm going to try anyway. Too much flour now, I don't want to put the flour in. Can taste the flour. They're disgusting. They're disgusting. Wow. Now, I followed the recipe. So it's not, should have done it like this. The recipe book says do it like that. So that's how I've done it. It even says remove when golden brown, you know. The golden brown. And they are disgusting. It's got the cheese in, you can see the cheese in it. I wonder if Nat wants to try one of my cheesy balls. Nat, do you want to try one of my cheesy balls?
That sounds right.
Go try
They're sweaty. Sweaty.
They are a bit oily, yeah? She's coming. She's going to try one of my cheesy balls.
I'll try one cheesy balls.
One of the cheesy balls that have a funny shape.
Doesn't smell very nice.
They're lovely. Fine.
Hello everyone. Pardon?
Disgusting, isn't it? Pardon my French. Disgusting. Isn't that horrible?
No, what's that oil? I can taste that oil.
It might be, actually, it might be that oil.
Hold on. There's a bit of this.
Damien, you want to try one of my cheesy balls?
Yeah, sure.
They don't taste nothing.
They're disgusting, ain't they? Right. You might like them because you like that sort of stuff.
These have got no taste at all. I've ate it so I can...
They're disgusting, ain't they? Ain't they horrible?
They're not nice. They're really nasty, they are.
Yeah, so he likes them. He likes that sort
He
of
likes
stuff.
that stuff though. Your cheesy balls ain't nice.
They're horrible.
They're disgusting.
And I followed the recipe.
It's not... the oil doesn't do it any
It
good.
says, I mean,
But...
look, right?
But
It says...
it's got no taste.
It says, put that into a bowl. How can you put that into a bowl?
Well, do you roll it with your hands?
Go on,
don't
I
you?
bet you couldn't.
Oh, I ain't getting my hands in now.
I bet you couldn't. I've tried. Try to slap.
That oil does taste a bit funny, but there's no taste inside because I thought, oh, I'll eat
It's horrible, isn't it?
There's no taste. It just tastes like nothing.
Nothing.
Just
It's
doesn't
disgusting.
taste of anything.
There you go. Don't do that one. It's disgusting.
It's not very nice.
And don't forget, I
You
did
like
follow the
that?
recipe.
Damien likes them though. Some...
Oh yeah, you might like them, I suppose. But I think they're absolutely
No,
disgusting.
I don't think they're very nice.
I think they're disgusting. There we go. I'm not doing that one again. I'm glad that one's over as well. And I didn't want to do it in the first place. But, and they don't come out like balls. I don't know how you could roll them into a ball. I know people might say, oh, you should have put less water. The instruction says that. That's what I've done. But there we go. Anyway, thanks for watching. I am the old food guy. They were terrible. Won't be doing them again. Till the next time. See you later. Bye bye.